Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bags and Cooks. Today I have come up with some different types of milkshakes which some of you have requested me to upload. So let's get started. Here I have taken some mango pieces. This I'm going to use for the mango milkshake. So here is the blender. Into this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the mango pieces. And I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh milk. I'm also going to add half teaspoon of sugar. That is optional. If you want, you can skip it. Now I'm going to blend it. You can see how nicely it has been blended, isn't it? Now I'm going to transfer it into a goblet. The mango milkshake looks so yummy and creamy, isn't it? I'm going to garnish this with some chopped mango pieces. So here it is, ready to be served. Next is banana milkshake. I've taken 1 medium-sized banana. Here is the blender. I'm going to put the pieces into this blender. I'm going to add 1 glass of fresh milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. And I'm going to blend them. It's done now. I'm going to transfer into this goblet and garnish with some banana slices. So it's ready now. Next is Oreo milkshake. So I've taken around 7 to 8 pieces of Oreo biscuits. I'm going to break into small pieces. I've transferred it into the blender. Now I add 1 cup of fresh milk. And blend them. It's done now. I'm going to transfer into the goblet. Look at the cream that is floating on the surface of the milk. I'm going to garnish with some Oreo biscuits. So here it is. Next is Cornflakes Milkshake. So I've taken 3 tablespoons of cornflakes. Here is the blender. I'm going to put into this blender. I've already added 1 glass of fresh milk. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm going to blend them. It's already done, so I'm going to transfer into this goblet. I'm going to garnish with some dry fruits. I've taken pistachios and raisins. You can take any dry fruits of your choice. And I'm drizzling some cinnamon powder. So our Cornflakes milkshake is ready. Next is chocolate milkshake. So here I've taken 1 tablespoon of chocolate pieces and 2 tablespoons of Bournvita. Here is the blender. I'm going to drop the chocolate pieces and the Bournvita into this. Now I add 1 glass of fresh milk. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Now I'm going to blend them. So it's already blended. Now I'm going to transfer it into the goblet. But before transferring the chocolate milkshake into the goblet, I'm going to drizzle some chocolate syrup. You can see in this way I have drizzled some chocolate syrup. Now I'm going to pour the milkshake into it. I'm going to decorate with some chocolate pieces and drizzle some chocolate syrup. Looks so creamy and yummy, isn't it? So here it is, our frothy and creamy chocolate milkshake, which is ready to be served. I'm sure you will try to make these milkshakes. They are very simple and easy to make. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. And yes, please do comment also. And if you want me to upload any recipes of your choice, please do let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching my video patiently.